The carpet industry. The love for carpet is declining in recent years, though. After dominating for decades, wall-to-wall carpet's share of floor-covering market has plummeted in the United States since the millennium from about 60% of sales to roughly one-third, according to Catalina Research. Blame Americans order up for hardwood, laminate, and tile. The perception that carpet is so 1970s, 80s, or 90s. Pick your decade. Bedrooms still have lots of carpet, but carpet is disappearing from the center of home living, dining rooms, and family rooms, and being replaced with rugs in those areas instead. Design trends come and go, but of course the carpet is also perceived to be as hard to clean, since it stains easily from pets, traffic, and spills. And also, carpet is a magnet for allergens and can cause respiratory ailments such as asthma or make asthma worse.